Oh, hi. I'm Kenneth, and I'm from the University of Tartu Science Bus. And have you ever had one of those moments when you walk into a room and completely forget why you went there?
Yeah. Oh, hi, Kenneth.
Oh, hi,
I'm so
Helen.
glad that
it's so good to see you.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah. Oh, these are for you.
Oh, thank you.
You look so lovely this morning.
What are these flowers for?
You know, that thing we're going to do today, right?
Kenneth, did you forget the thing?
No. But I think it's best if you tell them about the thing.
Okay, Kenneth forgot again. But it's okay. Now, we've all gathered here to have a great party because we are scientists and we want to make a theme party. So it's going to be a wave party. But first, what I've got here is some liquid nitrogen. It's got minus 196 degrees Celsius, so I'd say it's pretty cold. And now, those flowers that Kenneth gave me, I'm going to put them into the liquid nitrogen. As every other living organism, flowers also consist of cells, and cells are filled with water. Now the water in such cold environment, what does it do? It freezes, and now, when I take the flowers out, I can break the ice.
Wait, that was our icebreaker, right?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, cool. Okay. But I bet your hands are pretty cold after that one, right?
Yeah, they kind are. I mean, the liquid nitrogen is quite cold.
Yeah. Well, don't worry, because I've got the perfect thing to warm your hands up, and hopefully a perfect crowd. So, what I want you to do is put your hands in this bowl of water here,
okay.
And I've got another bowl of soap water here.
Should I put my party hat on as well?
Definitely put your party hat on.
Put party hat on.
All right. So, get your hands all nice and wet.
Wet?
Yeah, wet.
Okay.
Trust me. She's doing that because water has a high heat capacity. That means it takes a lot of energy over a duration of time to heat water up. Now, why is this important? Well, into the soap water here, I'm going to pump some butane.
Butane? Isn't that flammable?
Exactly. It's flammable. And flames will quite nicely heat your hands up. But don't worry, the water will protect her. So, just grab some of these bubbles here.
Are you going to set me on fire?
Yeah! Don't you trust me?
I mean, I might not trust you, but I do trust science, so...
Okay,
I think we need some more butane, though.
You need more, alright. Must be some really cold hands, I guess. Okay, grab some of these. Step over here. Alright, you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I mean, I feel pretty warmed up now.
Okay, well, you're welcome. So, we've broken the ice, we've warmed up. Hopefully you're warmed up too. What's next? What are we missing?
I don't know. I mean, I called you for help, so maybe you know.
Exactly. Yeah, she called me. We need guests.
I mean, I forgot to invite them.
Yeah, don't worry. I've got my phone.
Kenneth, that looks a bit low of battery.
No, but it's high on energy. So, you've seen this phone, right? No? Well, this isn't an ordinary phone. But if anyone has seen one of the greatest films ever made, Crocodile Dundee 2, you'll recognize this phone. This is Crocodile Dundee's phone. What's gonna happen is, this is a slightly ovally shaped piece of wood attached to the end of a string. And when I start to spin this piece of wood, it'll also start to rotate around its axis. And this will cause it to beat the air, creating sound waves, hopefully inviting our friends to our sound wave party. Our wave party. So, let's try it. It's a little hard to get signal at first.
Kenneth, I think they're not answering. Leave them a voicemail.
Yeah, I left them a voice. It's at 6, right?
Yeah.
Oh, hopefully they'll get the message. Pretty bad reception here. But maybe you heard that there's a slight difference in pitch, you know, how high it is in the tone. And that depends on the speed it's moving. You see, the faster it goes, the higher is the frequency with which it emits waves. And the higher the frequency, the higher the tone we hear. But let's check on Helen. What are you doing?
I mean, I was thinking like, we're still kind of missing something. So...
Okay.
Have you got any idea what could it be?
Strobe lights.
Dang it, I forgot those as well. But, I mean, we have still one more option. What I've got here is some methanol, and when I light it, we can put some metal salts in it. Now, metals are some atoms that take a specific amount of energy, and they don't want to have it, so they're going to give it us back. But they're not just going to give us back energy, they're going to give it back as waves, but not just waves. These are going to be electromagnetic waves. So we're going to see some light, some colorful light.
Some light waves.
Light waves, exactly.
Okay.
I mean, it is a wave party, right?
Yeah.
Now, every metal has a specific amount of energy that it can take. So it gives back a specific color. And I think we can try it now. So I'm going to light the methanol.
And methanol burns with a colorless flame, right?
Exactly.
You can do it.
Oof. That's pretty hot. Okay, and what I've got here is some lithium salt. Now this is going to give back a red light.
I've got some copper salt, and this will give back a bright green.
And here's some sodium chloride. It's something we use in our kitchens to make the food salty, and it gives us back a bright yellow light.
A pretty boring yellow light for a pretty boring salt, you know, regular table salt. So, okay, we've got lights. Yeah, thank you. All right. So, we've broken the ice, we've warmed up, we've got friends on their way, hopefully. We've got some lights. There's still something missing. Does anyone know what we're missing? Food? Oh, yeah, we got that covered. Good old Pringles helps us out. All right, we've got food. Helen,
yeah?
Is it just me, or are we missing a beat?
Oh yeah, sound waves.
Sound waves.
More of the sound waves.
We could use some music.
I think that's a wonderful idea.
Okay. Some music. But let me think. This is a science show, right? Let's not forget that. So, I have a question for you. Everyone in this room. Do you want a show?
Yeah!
I can't hear your enthusiasm. Yeah! That's more like it. All right then. Get ready. And cue the music.